In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keyword recharge for HTA. So first of all, going to my video description, then you will find a link. Just click on here, then you are redirect to this website. First of all, you need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough. So you can see this is a HTA option. Just click on this icon, then paste your targeted keyword. So I want to sell makeup bag. This is example only. So here are type of category. This is not required. Then if you want to select a specific country, I want to select USA. Just click on USA, then select your language, then click on enter. Then you can see here is lots of keywords. I found 120 keywords. Then charge volume are 27,000. Trends 22%. You can see these keywords are 1,300% trending. This is very good topic. So if I follow low competition, because of here are very high competition, so I want to changing my keyword. So I want to just enter just bag. You can type your targeted keyword here. Oh, this is 250% up or trending. Then I want to just click on competition, low competition. You can see these all keywords are low competition. So if you follow, this is bag or day 85% trends, and this is competition low, and bag I and C very low, and this is medium. So this is a method you can find out your targeted keywords here. So I want to type here photo, just enter, just top charge volume, then photo prints 12,000 charge volume and 169% trends, very high competitions. And this is a keyword. If I use this keyword, then this is a very good point. Photo editor 0%, and competition are very low. I again repeated this link. You will find in my video description for easy access. Photo booth props, and this is also good topic. So this is a method you can use and doing keyword recharge for your business for HT. So if you want to more video those type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you and for your businesses, just like this video and subscribe my channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.